Max's day was filled with unimaginable pain and heartbreak.
Meow, 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 look at me, chasing tails so wild and free. Meow, meow,
His once
meow, I
cozy
jump so
world was
high.
torn apart by the
Up in
cruel
the air,
tricks
reaching
of his
for the
stepsister,
sky.
Lily. From losing his favorite toy to facing harsh treatment,
Nighttime
the poor
antics give
kitten
me a
endured it
lift.
all.
Whiskers twitch, eyes shining bright. In the moon's glow, I take flight. Meow, 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 can you see? Living each
But in
moment
his darkest
happily.
moment, a
Meow,
miracle
meow,
of
meow,
kindness
watch me
appeared.
soar. Every
Grandpa's
day I
gentle heart brought
discover
comfort
more.
and love
Climbing
back into
curtains
Max's
with flair
life.
and grace. In every room I leave my trace. Purring softly in the sun.
In a world of
Life as a
cruelty,
cat is
even
so
a
much
small act of
fun.
care can change
Hiding in
everything.
boxes small and
Will
snug.
Max ever find
Dreaming
lasting
big as I
peace?
curl up with each
Or will
pounce
Lily's
and
cruelty
lazy
strike
love.
again?
My little world is
Watch as the
always
heartwarming
full.
bond between Max
Meow,
and
meow,
Grandpa gives
meow,
hope
can
to
you
a broken
see?
heart.